Good morning, class 6. Today we have to start new exercise 4.3. And first question is, find the prime factorization of the following numbers by factor tree method. Okay, question number A is 75. Here you have to find the factors of 75 with the help of factor tree method. So first you have to write 75. Now you have to find the factors of 75. Here I will divide 75. 75 is an odd number, so we cannot divide it by 2. So we'll start from 3. 3 2 are 6, then 3 5 are 15. So 3 25 are 75. Prime number we will write this side, 3 into 25. Now this is prime number. Now we cannot find the factors of 3. Next we will find the factors of 25. We know 25 is 5 5s are 25. In place of 25 we will write 5 5s are 25. So 5 and 5 are prime numbers, so we cannot proceed. Answer is 75 is equal to 3 into 5 into 5. So this is your answer, and this process is factor tree method. Now question number B is easy, 120. Do homework. Question number C, 235. First here we will find the factor of 235. See, the last digit is 5, so it will be divisible by 5. 5 4s are 20. Then 35, 5 7s are 35. So 5 into 47 is 235. Now 5 is a prime number as well as 47 is also a prime number. So we cannot proceed. So answer is 235 is equal to 5 into 47. Next is question number D, 1092. So here we will find the factor of 1092. This is even number, last digit is 2. So it can be divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 1 2 6s are 12. So 2 into 546. 2 into 546. 2 is a prime number, so it will stop here. Now again we have to find the factor of 546. Even number, again we can divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6. So 546 is 2 into 273. 2 into 273. 2 is a prime number, so it will stop here only. Again we have to find the factors of 273. It is easily divisible by 3. You can check, because 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 2 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3. So 273 is 3 into 91. Again, this 91 is divisible by 7. So 7 1s are 7, 8 9. Carry 2, 21. 7 3s are 21. So 7 into 13. So your answer will be 1092 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 13. So this is your answer, and this process is your factor tree method. Now next, again you have to find the prime factorization of the following number, but here the process is successive division. You have to divide and find the factors. So 360. See, this is an even number. It can be divisible by 2. We'll start from 2. 2 1s are 2. Carry 1. 2 8s are 16. 0. Again even number. Divide with 2. 2 9s are 18. 0. Again even number. Do with 2. 2 4s are 8. Carry 1. 2 5s are 10. Now this is 45. Now we cannot divide by 2. Odd number. We'll divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. Carry 1. 3 5s are 15. Then 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So in place of 360 we have to write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this process is your successive division. Now see, you have to do question number B homework. 1368. See, the last digit is 8, even number. Divide by 2. 2 6s are 12. Carry 1. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Again divide with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, carry 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. Now this is odd number, we cannot divide by 2. Now we have to do with 3. 3 5s are 15, carry 2. Now this is 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. Now 19 is a prime number, so we cannot divide 19 by any other number, so we have to divide by 19 itself. 19 1s are 19. So the answer is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. Now next is question number D. 9999. It is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again with 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Next is we have to divide by 11. 11 1s are 11, 11 cannot divide 1, so you have to write 0. Then 11 1s are 11. So 101 is a prime number, so we have to divide by 101 itself. 101 1s are 101. So the answer is 9999 is 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. Now next is question number 3. Find the smallest number having 4 different prime factors. You have to find the smallest number, okay? Smallest number which have 4 prime factors, but all 4 factors should be different. So the smallest prime number is 2. No? Then next is 3, next 5, then 7. So what we will do to get answer, we will multiply this 4 different prime numbers. So when we multiply, we will get 210. So that number is 210, which have 4 different prime numbers, and this is the smallest number. Now next question is question number 4. Find the smallest and the largest 4-digit numbers and express them in terms of their prime factors. First, here it is given. First, you should know which is the smallest 4-digit number and largest 4-digit number. After that, you have to find the factors of both, and you have to write in this form. Like this you have to write. So smallest 4-digit number is 1000. So 1000 we have to write in factor form, factorization. You have to find the factors of 1000. So find the factors of 1000. 2 5s are 10, 0 0. 2 2s are 4, carry 1. 2 5s are 10, 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 5s are 10. Last digit is 5, so divide by 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. So 1000 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So we have written the smallest 4-digit number in factors form. Now largest 4-digit number is 9999. Again we have to find the factors. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So we have to divide by 11 now. 11 1s are 11. 11 cannot divide 1. So 0, then 11 1s are 11. So 101 1s are 101. So 9999 can be written as 3 into 3 into 11 into 101.